Hi, I'm Andrew, Tool Sales Specialist here at Electric Sales and Service, or Essco, and we are coming to you from our Wildey showroom in St. Michael, Barbados. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing and small demonstration of our 20-volt lithium-ion spray gun. So we've had a lot of interest into it recently, so we're going to do that for you. So let's get started. So here we have our 20-volt lithium-ion spray gun, and let me show you what we have inside. So first of all, we have our user manual with our cleaning pin, tool of itself, and a viscosity cup. Now what this viscosity cup is used for is to test the drip of the paint, and it should take between 5 to 50 seconds to empty, and that would tell you how thick or thin the paint is. It also comes with an 800 milliliter bottle, and with all INGCO tools, all the battery powered INGCO tools, they're all 20 volt, and the battery is sold separately, to which we have a 2 amp battery as well as a 4 amp battery. To clean it, you just press this button, pull off the front, and then you can clean it with the cleaning pin in the event it gets stuck. Good news is that with the INGCO batteries, they're all interchangeable amongst all the other INGCO branded tools. So from here we'll go and do a slight demo. So before we get started with the paint, we have to prep the paint. That means we're going to have to put some thinners into the paint, and this is what we're going to do here now. Here we have our paint, our thinners, and you mix it in, to which started here, and then viscosity cup is used to test the thickness of the paint, and this should take between 5 seconds to 50 seconds to empty, and that will tell you the viscosity of the actual paint. And that is ready. So from here now we're going to put the paint into the paint gun and start some painting. So now that we've mixed our paint, we're going to do a demo. Keep in mind to keep this about 6 inches off of your material, and always remember to wear your safety equipment and even strokes and overlap. So here we go. And now we're going to try it on some metal. And now we finish it. So from here, we're going to go back upstairs and finish off our video. So now that we've finished our demonstration, keep in mind it's always important to, when you're finished with your tool, to always clean it, because you don't want it to clog up with the paint afterwards, so that when you do put it down and go back to use it afterwards, it's good to go from there. If you'd like some more information, you could email us at tools@electricsales.com, or you could come into our showroom here at Clapham Court, Wildey, St. Michael. Take a look at tools for yourself, or you can follow us on our Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for further updates.
Essco switched on.
If you would like to watch the next video, click the box in the top right corner. If you would like to watch the previous video, click the box in the bottom right corner. If you would like to subscribe, click the circle.